Yesterday, we made models to represent different multiplication problems. Today, we're going to use models to solve some different division word problems. So our first problem says if 28 pencils are to be packed 7 to a box, then how many boxes are needed? This is a little bit different from ones that we've had in the past because we don't know how many boxes there are. So this equation would be 28 that we're putting into, we're not sure how many boxes, and there's going to be 7 in each box. So I'm going to use a number line to solve this. I know that there are 28 pencils. I'll put a 0 here. So I'm going to have a 0 over here on the left, and then I'm going to have 28 to represent pencils right here. And I know that there are 7 going into each box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this number line, and I'm going to do repeated subtraction to solve this. So I'm going to do minus 7. 28 minus 7 is 21. I'm going to minus 7 again. 21 minus 7 is 14. Still not at 0. 14 minus 7 is 7. And 7 minus 7 would be 0. So now I just need to count how many boxes would this be. If there's 7 in here, 7 in here, 7 in here, and 7 in here, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So my answer would be 4. Alright, we have one more word problem I'm going to work with today. It says if 12 chairs are arranged into 4 equal rows, how many chairs will be in each row? So I know we have a division problem here because we're splitting up something into equal rows. So it's 12 divided by 4 equals something. So I'm going to draw an array to represent this. So there's 12 chairs are arranged in 4 equal rows. So that lets me know that there are 4 rows. So let's see, we're going to have row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. So now we have 4 rows, and there are 12 chairs total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to count until I get to 12. So right now I have 2 chairs in each row. Let's see, so there's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I put these chairs into 4 different rows, row 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are going to be 3 chairs in each row. So my answer would be 3. And I can also see if I turn that into a multiplication, that would be 4 times 3. Both of them work together.